10 Google features you need to know. If you always have dozens of tabs open, tab groups can help you stay organized. Right-click a tab. Select Add Tab to New Group. Choose a color and put a name for it. I forgot to put a name on it. I will show you that in the end. Like that, you can group multiple tabs. Close the browser and open it again. You can see tab groups up there. Now we'll see how to put a name for tab group. Right-click the tab group and type the name you want on it. This method is perfect for separating work, entertainment, and study tabs. Chrome can consume a lot of RAM. For that reason, there is an option in Chrome settings called Memory Saver. Memory Saver automatically frees memory from inactive tabs. Turn it on and put it into recommended settings. If you want to read any article in Google Chrome without any disturbances, this is for you. Click on 3 dots and select More Tools. There is an option called Reading Mode. Now you can read article without disturbances. If you are playing a video in Chrome, you can generate live captions for that. Go to Settings. Under Accessibility tab, there is an option called Live Captions. Turn it on and put language to any language you want. If you need English, remain it as default. If you want to pin the tab in Google Chrome, simply right-click on it and select Pin. Close the Chrome and open it again. You can see pinned tabs there. Did you know you can use different profiles in Chrome browser? Click on your profile icon and click Add Chrome Profile. Choose a name and themes. Now you have multiple profiles in Chrome. If you accidentally delete a tab, don't worry, press Ctrl+Shift+T. It will open again. If you need browser tab like a software app in your desktop, do this. Click in 3 dots. Under Save Options, there is an option called Install. Click on it. Now you can see that tab as Desktop App. If you suddenly need a calculator, simply type the math problem in the search box. It will directly lead you to the calculator. You can add bookmarks on Google Chrome like this. Did you know that? Go to the website you want to add. Now click on 3 dots and select the option called Bookmarks. Give a name for it. It's done. You can see the bookmark that you just saved up there. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and hidden features.